In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a subscribed shared calendar from Google Calendar using a web browser on your desktop. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure it's as seamless as possible. First things first, we need to open Google Calendar. So, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Google Calendar interface with all your events and schedules displayed prominently. Now that you're in, take a look at the left panel. This is where you'll find all your calendars listed. You should see a section titled Other Calendars. This is specifically where shared and subscribed calendars are housed. Scroll through this list until you locate the shared or subscribed calendar that you're interested in removing. It might be labeled with the specific name of the individual or group who shared it with you. Once you've found the calendar you want to remove, don't click on it just yet. Instead, hover your mouse over this particular calendar entry. As you do this, you should notice a subtle X mark appearing on the right side next to the calendar name. This is your next target. Click that X mark. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog, almost like a gentle nudge to ensure that removing this calendar is indeed your intention. You'll need to confirm this step. Depending on your browser settings, you might see a pop-up or a small dialog box asking for your confirmation. Go ahead and confirm, and just like magic, the shared calendar will vanish from your list. It's a simple and rather quick process, isn't it? Now, your calendar view is simplified without the clutter of unnecessary shared calendars, giving you a cleaner look at your personal schedule. Remember, this action only removes the calendar from your view. If others are subscribed to the same shared calendar, they will still have access to it in their respective accounts unless they also decide to remove it. This makes it a non-disruptive way of cleaning up your calendar view without impacting anyone else. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident managing your Google Calendar. If you find yourself needing to subscribe to that calendar again, it's just as easy to add it back. As always, thank you for watching and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.